Have you ever wondered how rich people acquire their wealth and how they are able to live life on their own terms with no boss to answer to? Is it possible to join the ranks of the rich? And how do you go about it? Rich people create the lifestyle they desire by acquiring income-producing assets. An income-producing asset is an asset you invest money in today with the expectation that it will generate income for you in the future. Here are 7 income-producing assets that can make you rich. Stocks are the first of these assets. Investing in stocks has long been recognized as a powerful avenue for wealth creation. Stocks can be a steady source of income that can help you reach your retirement goals. In particular, dividend-paying stocks can provide a predictable income source, as the company distributes profits usually on a quarterly basis. These dividend-paying companies can be found across many industries, including healthcare, financial services, utilities, oil and gas, and basic materials. Investing in stocks does not require ongoing maintenance on your part, like owning the business, and you reap the rewards while someone else runs the business. You can purchase individual stocks, or you can buy a fund that gets you exposure to the whole stock market, like the S&P 500 index. Through careful analysis, diligent research, and a long-term perspective, investing in stocks can provide the potential for significant wealth accumulation over time. However, due to their highly volatile nature, stocks can be difficult to hold during turbulent times. Seeing a decade's worth of growth disappear in a matter of days can be gut-wrenching even for the most seasoned investors. By approaching stock investing with discipline, patience, and a commitment to continuous learning, one can harness the potential of the stock market and set the stage for financial abundance. As Warren Buffett has been quoted as saying, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Bonds are another asset that can make you rich. A bond is a debt security, same as an IOU. By buying a bond, you are lending to the issuer of the bond, which may be a government, municipality, or company. The issuer of the bond promises to pay you a specified rate of interest during the life of the bond and to repay the principal when it matures or comes due after a set period of time. Many bonds require periodic payments be paid to the investor over the term of the loan, before the full principal balance is paid back at end of the term. The borrower can be an individual, a business, or a government. A lot of times when investors discuss bonds, they are referring to U.S. Treasury bonds, where the U.S. government is the borrower. U.S. Treasury bonds come in various terms based on the length of those terms. The terms range from short to medium to long term. You can find the interest rates paid on U.S. Treasury bonds for each of these terms online at treasurydirect.gov. Besides U.S. Treasury bonds, you can also purchase foreign government bonds, corporate bonds, which are loans to businesses, and municipal bonds, which are loans to local or state governments. These bonds generally pay more interest than U.S. Treasury bonds, but tend to be riskier. U.S. Treasury bonds are considered the safest, since they are backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. The advantages of investing in bonds is they tend to rise when stocks fall, and have a more consistent income than other assets. The returns, though, are much lower compared to other asset classes. Real estate is another powerful asset you can use to create wealth. Investing in real estate has proven to be a lucrative way to accumulate wealth for many individuals. Best-selling author and entrepreneur Robert Kiyosaki is quoted as saying, "Real estate investing, even on a very small scale, remains a tried and true means of building an individual's cash flow and wealth." Real estate offers unique advantages like appreciation in property value, rental income, and tax benefits. By acquiring properties in prime locations or up-and-coming markets and leveraging financing options, you can benefit from the growing demand for housing or commercial spaces. There are various ways to make money with real estate. One way is through rental income, where properties are leased to tenants, generating ongoing cash flow. Property appreciation is another avenue, as real estate values tend to increase over time, allowing investors to profit when selling. Flipping properties involves buying undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them for a higher price. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, provide a way to invest in real estate portfolios without direct ownership, earning dividends from rental income and property appreciation. Vacation rentals in tourist destinations can generate higher rental income during peak seasons. Real estate development involves purchasing land, constructing or renovating properties, and selling or renting them. Partnering with other investors through partnerships or investment groups allows access to larger real estate opportunities. These strategies offer different paths to success, but it's important to research, Understand the market you are interested in, and seek professional guidance for a successful real estate venture. Starting a small or online business can potentially make you rich. However, many forms of online businesses require a lot of work up front. The income potential, though, is unlimited. Online businesses can include blogs, e-commerce stores on places like Shopify, or even selling on eBay and Amazon. You can also create digital products like courses to sell on sites like Coursera and Skillshare. By finding a unique market, creating innovative products or services, and effectively promoting them, you have the potential to reach a wide customer base. Online businesses have low overhead costs and therefore can generate significant profits. Success comes from providing value, excellent customer experiences, and staying adaptable to market trends. Over time, you can invest less and less time managing the business while still earning income. Eventually, you can choose to sell your business or keep it as a side income. While there are risks, hard work, determination, and continuous learning can lead to financial success and achieving your goals. Generating wealth through royalties can be a profitable avenue for financial success. Royalties are payments received for the use of intellectual property like books, music, patents, trademarks, or even licensing agreements. By creating and owning valuable intellectual property, you can earn passive income through royalty payments. For example, authors can earn royalties from book sales, musicians from song streams or album sales, and inventors from licensing their patents. Another way to earn royalty income is by purchasing shares of a royalty trust. These are publicly traded corporations that acquire ownership of rights to leases and deposits of oil, gas, and minerals. The income generated from royalties is distributed to shareholders as dividends. Royalty trusts offer investors the promise of higher yields than stocks, even though they trade similarly. The key to achieving riches through royalties lies in creating exceptional and marketable intellectual property that relates with a wide audience. It requires talent, originality, effective marketing, and protection of your intellectual assets. Royalties can provide a continuous stream of income and the potential for significant wealth accumulation over time. Another great asset is a real estate investment trust, REIT. If you like the idea of owning real estate but hate the idea of managing it yourself, then a REIT might be right for you. A REIT is a business that owns and manages real estate properties and pays out the income from these properties to its shareholders. REITs are legally required to pay out a minimum of 90% of their taxable income as dividends to their shareholders. This requirement makes REITs one of the most reliable income-producing assets on the market. Many REITs are publicly traded on major securities exchanges, and investors can buy and sell them like stocks. There are residential REITs that can own apartment buildings, manufactured homes, and single-family homes, and commercial REITs that can own office buildings, warehouses, retail spaces, and other commercial properties. REITs can be offered as publicly traded, publicly non-traded, or private that can only be sold to institutional investors. By investing in REITs, you can benefit from the potential appreciation in property values, regular dividend payments, and diversification across various real estate sectors. It's important to conduct thorough research, assess the track record and financials of the REIT, and consider factors like property location, market conditions, and management expertise. By having a long-term perspective to REITs investing and a focus on selecting high-quality REITs, you have the potential to accumulate wealth over time. Investing in your own financial education can be a powerful motivator for building wealth and achieving financial success. By increasing your knowledge and understanding of personal finance, investing, budgeting, and money management, you acquire the tools and confidence to make informed decisions about your finances. A solid financial education empowers you to identify and seize profitable opportunities, minimize risks, and develop successful strategies for wealth growth. It can help you avoid costly mistakes and improve your financial habits like growing your savings. Also, a strong financial education can open doors to lucrative career opportunities or entrepreneurship. Continuous learning and staying updated with financial trends and market changes enable you to adapt to changing economic conditions and make strategic decisions that support your long-term financial goals. Investing in your financial education equips you with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate through the challenges of the financial world, empowering you to make the right choices that can lead to lasting wealth and financial security. Investing in income-producing assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, online or small businesses, royalties, REITs, and your financial education can offer unique opportunities for capital appreciation, regular income streams, and long-term growth potential. Remember, creating wealth by acquiring assets requires discipline, perseverance, and a commitment to lifelong learning. With the right mindset and a long-term approach, the potential to become rich is within reach. Thank you for watching. Comment below which one of these income-producing assets you would like to own, like the video, and subscribe.